Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students and parents, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saida. I am going to explain you the lesson of computer of class 3. Today my topic is hardware and software. I am going to tell you about the meaning of difficult words before starting the chapter so that you may understand the chapter easily. First word is component, meaning parts, emphasize, highlight, instructions, command, executing, perform, usually, normally, similarly, likewise, retrieved, recover, required, need, carried, bring. Smooth, flat, fulfill, satisfy, specific, particular, customized, specially made, certain, sure. Hardware. All the physical parts of a computer are known as hardware. All the hard components of your computer that you can see or touch are hardware. Hardware are classified as input devices, processing devices, output devices, and storage devices. Input devices. The devices that are used to enter data and instructions into the computer are called input devices. Keyboard and mouse are most commonly used input devices. Keyboard. It is an input device which contains many keys or buttons. While pressing a key, the character gets processed and appear on the computer screen. Mouse. This is a pointing device used in a computer system. A mouse has 2 or 3 push buttons which are used to control the commands of programs on computer. Pressing a mouse button once is called a click. Joystick. A joystick is also a pointing device. It is usually used while playing games on the computer as it gives a better control. Light pen. We use a light pen to select options by pointing directly on the screen. It is also used for drawing figures directly on the screen. Scanner. A scanner is an input device that takes images of text, tables, graphs, line diagrams, photographs, and other similar sets of data. Processing devices. All the devices which are used to process the data and information are called processing devices. System unit. A box that is placed near the monitor or is possibly placed under it is called the system unit. System unit plays the important role of calculation, memory, storage, and decision making. System unit is also known as central processing unit because the main processing of data in computer takes place here. Microprocessor. This is the most important component of the PC. You can call it the brain of a computer. It is the place where the actual processing takes place. The speed of your computer also depends on the speed of the microprocessor. So if the microprocessor is fast, then your computer must be fast too. RAM and ROM. These are small components present inside the system unit. RAM, random access memory, and ROM, read-only memory, are actual memories of the computer. RAM is the temporary memory while ROM is the permanent memory. They are directly connected to the electronic circuit of the computer. Modem. Modem is used to connect your computer with the other computers present all over the world using telephone lines. This whole connecting system of computers is known as Internet. Output devices. Output devices are used to obtain the processed data from the computer. Here are some examples of output devices. Number 1, monitor. Monitor is an output device. It is in color as well as in black and white. Its shape is just like the television in front of you. It is used for displaying the work that is being done on the computer. If you want to calculate 2 into 2, the result 4 will be displayed on the monitor. It is also called VDU, which stands for Visual Display Unit. Printers. Printers are used to print letters, applications, and pictures on paper. There are three basic types of printers present in the market. Number 1, dot matrix printer. Number 2, inkjet printer. Number 3, laser printer. Speakers. Speakers are also output devices. They are used to listen to the sound played by the computer system. Storage devices. Storage devices are used to store data, information, and programs. The following are the examples of storage devices. Number 1, hard disk. Hard disk is the main storage device of the computer. The hard disk is fixed inside the system unit. A large amount of data can be stored in it and recalled from it whenever required. You can store programs, letters, applications, and calculations in the hard disk. Number 2, pen drive. This is a very popular storage device. It is about the size of a toffee. However, it can store large volume of information. CD. CD stands for compact disc. It is another storage device. A CD is removable like a USB. It is inserted into CD drive whenever needed. It can also store large amount of data. Software. Software is the part of the computer that we cannot see or touch. All the computer programs are known as software. It is just like the soul in our body. As our body cannot live without soul, similarly, a computer cannot work without software. There are two types of software. Number 1, system software. Number 2, application software. System software. A system software is the basic requirement of a computer system. It is a set of one or more programs designed to make the computer understand the instructions or programs given by the user. Application software. An application software is a computer program designed to help the user to fulfill his own needs of performing a certain type of work. Different organizations like banks, railways, airlines, schools use their own application software which is customized as per their needs to carry out their day-to-day activities smoothly. सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर कंप्यूटर में ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल्ड होता है। ये ऐसा सेट ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स होता है जो कि कंप्यूटर को यूज़र की तरफ से दी गई इंस्ट्रक्शंस समझने में मदद देता है। of system software are operating system, compilers, interpreters, etc. एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर है जो यूज़र अपनी ज़रूरत के तहत इंस्टॉल कराते हैं। पेंट, वर्डपैड, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विंडोज़ लोगो एंड माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पावरपॉइंट आर एग्जांपल्स ऑफ एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर। Dear students, objective and subjective notes has been provided to you, so you should write it on your notebooks. Thanks to all of you children. You may keep praying from Allah to keep us safe and all the people of the world from this COVID-19. Allah Hafiz.